In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in Jira Cloud. If you're managing a project with multiple tasks and need a clear way to organize them, using epics in Jira can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive into the steps to set one up efficiently. First, start by navigating to your Jira homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all of your projects and tasks, making it the ideal starting point each time you log in. Once there, locate the Projects tab on the left-hand side of your screen. It's designed to give you quick access to all your ongoing projects. Click on it to bring up a list of available projects. Choose the specific project you'll be working with in this instance by clicking on its name. It's straightforward and helps tailor the interface to your current focus. After selecting your project, look for the backlog option and click on it. This takes you to an area where you can manage upcoming tasks and plan for future sprints. The backlog is a vital tool for any agile project manager, providing a clear overview of what's to come. Now, if you glance at your screen and don't see the Epic panel, don't worry. It's possible that it might not be visible by default. You'll need to enable it. To do so, click on the toggle found within the Epic filter drop-down. This will ensure the Epic panel becomes visible, allowing you to manage your epics effectively. Once the Epic panel is visible, spot the plus Create Epic option and click on it. This is where the magic begins as you start to put together the building blocks of your project management strategy. You'll now see a prompt to name your epic. Choose a name that uniquely identifies the overarching goal or feature set this epic will encompass. When happy with the name, press enter to confirm it. Next, you'll want to explore the details of the epic you've just created. Start by clicking on the small caret button on the left side of your epic's name. This expands further options, enabling you to enter even more crucial information. Now click on the View All Details link. Doing this will bring up the Details panel of your epic on the right side of your page. This panel is invaluable, providing space to enter comprehensive information about your epic, such as a detailed description, priority, and potential due dates. Make sure to fill this area with all relevant details to ensure everyone involved in your project is on the same page. And there you have it. You've successfully created an epic in Jira Cloud. This structured way of managing large amounts of work will help you and your team stay organized and focused on essential tasks and goals. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.